Hello, I am Ms. Hannigan, and I'm going to be teaching you how to not memorize the unit circle. So, we should know that we start with 0 radians, and then a semicircle is pi radians, and then another semicircle would be 2 pi radians. But then we can take the semicircle, which is pi radians, and cut it in half. And so that would be pi divided by 2. So we have 1 pi over 2, 2 pi over 2, which simplifies to pi, and then 3 pi over 2. And then 4 pi over 2 simplifies to 2 pi. Okay, then we're going to take this and cut it in half. Half of pi over 2 is going to be pi over 4, and then we're going to go around the circle and do all the pi over 4s. So 1 pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 4 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 6 pi over 4, this is what it simplifies to, and then 7 pi over 4. Okay, then I kind of lied, there's one piece that you could memorize, and if you just memorize that this is pi over 6, the smallest piece is pi over 6. If you memorize that, then we're good to go. So then you're going to do the same thing with pi over 6s. 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, which simplifies to pi over 3. So 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6 simplifies that. 4 pi over 6, which simplifies to 2 pi over 3. So 1 pi over 6, 2 pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 4 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 6 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6, which simplifies to 4 pi over 3. So 7 pi over 6, 8 pi over 6, 9 pi over 6, 10 pi over 6, which simplifies to 5 pi over 3, 10 pi over 6, 11 pi over 6. And then 12 pi over 6 simplifies to 2 pi. All right, now we're going to talk about degrees. It's not as easy of a pattern, I think. You kind of have to do some adding on the side, but it's still a pattern. So we know 0 degrees, I'm going to do it in a different color. 0 degrees, we should all know 180 degrees, and then 360 degrees is the whole circle. Okay, but now half of 180 would be 90 degrees. And then it's like 90 plus 90 is 180, then 180 plus 90 is going to be 270 down here. And then plus 90 again is 360. Now half of 90 is going to be 45. And then you can just go in chunks of 45. So 90 plus 45. You can even do like mental math on the side. So 135. 90 plus 45 is 135. And then you have to do 180 plus 45 to get this value. You could just write it out. You don't even have to memorize it. 225. And then 270 plus 45 would be right here. 315. All right, then we have the 45s taken care of. Let's do the 30 degrees now. So the smallest angle is 30 degrees. We can memorize that. And then just go in chunks of 30 degrees. So 30 plus 30 is 60. Plus 30 is 90. Plus 30 would be 120. Plus 30 is 150. Plus 30 is 180. And then plus 30 is 210. Plus 30 is 240. Plus 30 is 270. Plus 30 is 300. Plus 30 is 330. And then plus 30 is 360. So that is how you memorize, or that's how you don't memorize radians and degrees in a unit circle. Thank you.